In my last video, I explained about the chapter 8 of Standard 8, Role of Parliament in Democratic Country. In my first video, lecture 1, I explained about Lok Sabha. Today, I am going to explain about Rajya Sabha and comparison of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. This chapter is taken from Standard 8. Subject is SS. Standard 8 SS Chapter 8 Lecture 2 Role of Parliament in Democratic Country. Now when we consider about the word democracy, the democratic word comes from democracy. Democracy means in Gujarati we say Lokshahi. Lokshahi means here the person is in a center and everything lies in the hands of the person, means people, not in the hands of a minister. Okay, if a person wants to change the government, he can. If the person wants to change chief minister or any minister, okay, the person who is elected, a person, if the people wants to change, they can change. Okay, so normally after 5 years we have general elections, and through the voting they change the government. So here in democracy people are considered the supreme. People are considered as a supreme. Got it? Now in my first video I said about Lok Sabha. Okay, in Lok Sabha after 5 years we have election, general elections, and my dear student, in Lok Sabha the total members are 545. How many are there? 545 members are there, and these elections are considered as a direct election. Why it is called direct election? Because during this election we directly choose our leader. We directly choose our leader. That is why it is called direct election. Okay. While in second part here one more thing is that Rajya Sabha. My dear student, when we consider about Rajya Sabha, here it is called indirect. It is called indirect. Why it is called indirect? Because here we are not voting. Here the elected person whom we have elected, they are voting for the members of the Rajya Sabha. Got it? So here first thing, how many members are here in Rajya Sabha? So there are 238 plus 12. Totally 250 members are there in Rajya Sabha. How many members are there in Rajya Sabha? In Rajya Sabha there are 250 members. How there are 250 members? Because 238 members are elected by the elected persons, while 12 members are directly selected. Remember, 238 are elected and 12 members are directly selected by the president. Okay, from different field, from the field of sports, then entertainment, science. Okay, my dear student, here I would like to suggest, I would like to say that recently, okay, some years back, Sachin Tendulkar became the member of Rajya Sabha, and he was directly selected. He was selected. The actress Rekha, she was also selected. She was also selected as a member of Rajya Sabha. Okay, so different members are selected. Okay, here 12 are selected by the president and 238 are elected. So total, when we consider about number, 540 members are there in Lok Sabha and 250 members are there in Rajya Sabha. Got it? My dear student, I say that Rajya Sabha is considered as a upper house. Rajya Sabha is considered as a upper house, while Lok Sabha is considered as a lower house. Got it? That's why I said URLL. તમે લુલા લંગડા છો. UR upper house Rajya Sabha. Lula Langra LL lower house Lok Sabha. Got it? If I ask a question, name the two houses of parliament, you have to write down. In parliament we have two houses, Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Upper house is known as Rajya Sabha, while lower house is called Lok Sabha. Got it? So you remember URLL. તમે લુલા લંગડા છો. Okay. Next thing. Here elections are held after 5 years. While in Rajya Sabha elections are held after 6 years. Remember, not 5 years. After 6 years they have elections. Got it? Big difference in Lok Sabha and even most of the elections. In most of the elections we have 5 years, but when we consider about Rajya Sabha, it is 6 years. Got it? Why? That I will tell you. Okay? That I will explain. And my dear student, here after 2 years, one third member they retired and new member comes. Okay? So what happened after 5 years, when there are general election, the Lok Sabha it is totally empty. Okay? While here Rajya Sabha it never becomes empty. Okay? Because one third members are, that term is over, another person will come. By the time 2/3 persons remain in Rajya Sabha. Okay? So after 2 years, one third member, how many members? One third members, third part, they complete their term, they go and another person comes. So here the term of Lok Sabha is 5 years and the term of Rajya Sabha is 6 years. Got it? Next thing here, I would like to say in Gujarat we have 26 seats. In Gujarat we have 26 seats, while in Gujarat Rajya Sabha seats are 11 seats. How many seats are there? 11 seats. Got it? Here. Next thing, my dear student, when we consider about Rajya Sabha, here speaker, when we consider about speaker, vice president automatically becomes the main person. Okay? He conducts the whole session. Okay? Here, so here we have speaker, and this speaker is elected or selected by that lower Lok Sabha only. Okay? Normally speaker comes from ruling party only, or maybe the joint party, the party which is supporting the ruling party, or there also. But normally here speaker comes from ruling party. While here the speaker of Rajya Sabha is always the vice president. Okay? Whoever becomes the vice president, automatically he becomes the honorable person, speaker in Rajya Sabha. Got it? So my dear student, here we have comparison of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Okay? Number 1, how many seats are there in Lok Sabha? 545 are there. here 238 plus 12, total 250 are there. Okay, Lok Sabha is called lower house, while Rajya Sabha is considered as a upper house. Okay, when we consider about the term of Lok Sabha is 5 years. Here in Rajya Sabha, the term of the member is 6 years. And my dear student, after 2 years, okay, after 2 years, 1/3 member they get retired and new persons come. Okay, here in Gujarat, when we have elections of Lok Sabha, there are 26 seats in Gujarat, while for Rajya Sabha in Gujarat we have 11 seats. Okay. Then when we consider about the one who conducts the session, that is called speaker. So here speaker is there, and here vice president becomes the person who rules, means who conducts the whole session. Got it? Next time we will learn some more things. Thank you.